Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the flagship device from ASUS in India, the ASUS ZenFone 5Z. So this device was announced during the MWC 2018. Now the device has been launched in India, and this is the flagship device for ASUS in India. So this year ASUS has been pretty competitive with their smartphone launches. So they have come up with the ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1 now, which is the really good smartphone in the sub 15K price segment. Now we have the ASUS ZenFone 5Z. So as of now we don't know what the pricing would be, but we think this would be really competitively priced, closer to OnePlus 6 and the Honor 10. So at the time of making this video we don't really know the pricing, but we'll update once we get hold of the pricing. So ASUS 5Z is a flagship device. So this is the box packing, and we have the quick specifications mentioned here. So it comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB of storage. It has 6.2-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It has 19:9 aspect ratio. It comes with a notch Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset, 8MP front facing camera. Rear camera is a dual camera setup, again with 12 and 8MP camera, and it also comes with a headset, and a bumper case is also included. And you can see this has AI powered dual camera. So that's the trend these days, artificial intelligence powered cameras. Then we have flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, 10nm manufacturing process, 90% all screen display. So that's the screen to body ratio is 90%, and this is the ASUS ZenFone 5Z in India. So this is the box pack, and we get the midnight blue variant right now in this box. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is a 4G LTE device. So let's open the box. So there you go. On the top we have this pouch. So let's see what is included here. So you can see a SIM ejector pin, then there is a bumper case included, so that's quite good. Then we have a couple of user manuals included. Then we have the actual handset. So let's just take it out. So there you go, that's the ASUS ZenFone 5Z. It is finished in metal and glass. So you can see the dual camera setup, fingerprint scanner, ASUS branding. Then we have the 6.2-inch display. So we have the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the mic, the 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom. Top panel does not have any openings or slots. The right side houses the power and volume keys. On the left side we have this SIM tray. So this is a hybrid slot. That means you can use 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card or a SIM card. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So let's just take this out. So there you go. You can see the standard adapter. So this has fast charging. Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0, that's QC 3.0 is supported. So that's the fast charger. Then we have an earphone included. So this is quite good quality earphones. You can see here this is the earphone quality. So this is the ASUS branded earphone which is included with the box pack. Looks quite good. And finally we get the USB Type-C cable included. So this is the standard Type-C cable included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the ASUS ZenFone 5Z with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It has a notch here. So you can see here notch includes the 8MP front camera and the earpiece, and looks quite good in terms of the display quality. You can see it's a pretty crisp and vivid display, and looks really good. Now looking at the other specifications. So this comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. You can see, just go to the system settings, about phone. So you can see Android 8.0. Instead it's not a 8.1, it's 8.0. And we have the Zen UI, the latest version of Zen UI included. So we have seen Zen UI previously on a lot of devices from ASUS, but we have the revamped Zen UI. So this looks more cleaner and more closer to the stock Android in terms of the tweak ASUS has done. And also they have removed all the bloatwares. You can see here only few apps which comes pre-installed, except for a couple of apps like GoToPay. Everything else is pretty basic. A couple of apps like Mobile Manager and Selfie Master are the two other apps which comes pre-installed. So Asus has completely revamped the UI. It looks much more cleaner and polished as well. So in terms of the features, nothing much removed. You can see advanced features. You can see twin apps, Beauty Live, Game Genie, then Kids mode, EC mode, screenshots, fingerprint gestures, Zen motion. So all those things are included, and it also comes with support for themes as well. So nothing much removed from the UI, but it's more or less a cleaner UI. You can also see the notification center and quick toggles. So you can see here it's much more cleaner and comes with loaded with features as well. So this is something really good Asus has done in terms of the UI, and the Zen UI now looks much more cleaner and looks pretty good as well. So this comes with Android Oreo out of the box. It's not Android 8.1, but it's 8.0 on our device. Now talking about the camera, so that's one of the highlights of this device. So you can see here it comes with a dual camera setup. It has a primary 12 megapixel camera, secondary 8 megapixel camera, and it has LED flash, and we'll talk about the camera in depth in our detailed camera review. So it also has a selfie camera, that's an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's go to the camera interface to see how good it is. So you can see here unlike other smartphones which uses the secondary camera for depth sensing, here Asus does not just use for depth sensing. Instead it has a wide angle camera. So the 8 megapixel camera is also a wide angle camera, so you can just toggle between the wide angle camera and the regular camera from here. So that's an additional feature because not too many phones are implemented with that mechanism. And it also has this portrait mode, and looking at the video recording, you can see that it offers 4K at 60 FPS is included, then Full HD at 60 FPS, 18:9 aspect ratio also included. So video recording, a lot of options are included, and there is also optical image stabilization included for the video. So the camera looks pretty good in terms of the hardware. Here are some of the samples we have taken with this device, and overall this definitely looks like a really good camera in our first impressions, and some of the samples have come really great, and we'll be talking about the camera in depth in our camera review, so stay tuned for that. So in our first impressions, the camera is definitely a promising one from Asus in this price segment. Now talking about the battery, so the Asus Zenfone 5C comes with a 3300 mAh capacity, which should be quite good enough for a day of usage. We are not tested the battery in depth, so we'll be coming up with the battery details in a while, so stay tuned for that as well. This device also comes with QC 3.0, that's Qualcomm's fast charging technology, so it should be able to charge the device in pretty good time. So overall, the Asus Zenfone 5C is a good package overall with Snapdragon 845, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, and Full HD plus resolution display. Good set of cameras, and battery life is also quite good. And the Zen UI is definitely one of the major revamps we have seen, really good in terms of the UI performance, and also we can see the bloatwares have been avoided, and it is a more or less a clean UI. So that's the Zenfone 5C. We have done the unboxing. We'll be coming up with a detailed gaming review, camera review, and also comparison with other smartphones. So stay tuned for that. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.